In today's video, I have some startling statistics to share with you guys about relationships, specifically pertaining to Gen Z and millennial people. If you're in a relationship right now, or if you plan to get into a relationship in the future, you might want to pay attention closely to this video. And I'm going to link the studies down below in the description. And if I happen to forget, you guys comment, give me the link for the studies, and I will put it in the comment and then pin that comment. So, because this is absolutely wild, this is a new study that recently just came out. And so you guys better buckle up, because it's about to get crazy what's actually going on in today's dating and mating culture. This is crazy. So before we get too far into it, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share the video if you like the video. So Newsweek came out with a study. And the study says that most people in Gen Z have either been in a cheating situation where you or your partner caught you cheating, you or your mate. I don't do that liberal BS. The majority of you have either, in Gen Z or millennials, been in a cheating relationship. Either you or your mate was caught cheating, you caught them cheating, or you're in a relationship right now where you're cheating, meaning that you could be single and the person that you're dealing with is in a full-blown relationship. Maybe both of you guys are in a full-blown relationship. So it gets sticky. Let's get into these statistics, because I know this is why you guys came in here to watch this video. A survey of 1,000 people from datingadvice.com that Newsweek pulled this data from. So the findings were 83% were involved currently or previously in a cheating relationship. 83%. Now, Gen Z, out of these 1,000 people, they reportedly found that 93% of people in relationships right now were cheating. 93 in Gen Z. And I'm going to make sense of this number here in a second. Just give me a second. But let's get to the millennials, because they're slightly better. Only, and I say this as only 80% of millennials are in cheating relationships. Now, the reason that they gave all these reasons for cheating were so high was, of course, online, social media, the phone. It's just so easy to cheat now with all these different apps, social media apps that you can get on and talk with people. Now, the thing about cheating is, you guys have to understand, cheating is a dynamic thing. So, or it's a multifaceted thing. It's not just, you guys having sex. It could be emotional cheating. It could be financially cheating. You know, you spending money on your side chick. So there's a lot of different ways cheating can occur. But nonetheless, these numbers are absolutely insane. And so this is why when we look at the previous study that we seen a couple months ago or earlier in the year, where it reported that I think 60% of women or higher were reported to have sex, but only 30 to 37% of men in Gen Z reported to have sex. This is why. This is why. It's because those women are dating the millennial men or the Gen X. So we're starting to connect the dots at the moment. They're cheating with older men. Gen Z women are. So what is the conclusion? What is the harsh realities about this study that was just released? Well, what we know for sure is hypergamy in the United States of America. The hypergamy within women is at an all-time high. It could be because of economic issues. You know, there are women, plenty of women out here working 2-3 jobs, one job, and they can't balance their budget. They're not making enough, or they can't balance their budget. Everybody's struggling, men and women. Everybody's working. So that could be because of the economy's in the tank. You know, women aren't finding enough economically attractive men in today's culture. But this is what happens. These are repercussions of what happens when women join the workforce. So what's the next harsh reality? Guys, if you are in a relationship in today's culture and you're Gen Z or you're a millennial, there's a high likelihood one of you guys are cheating. Now, some of you guys might be saying these numbers are a little bit inflated. Let's just say they are. Let's say the cheating isn't that high. Let's take away a 20 to 30% from that percentage. You still leave it at 73 to 63% of Gen Z cheating. You still leave it at 50 to 60% of millennials cheating. That still isn't good. That's still extremely high. So if you guys are just out here dating and you're not vetting properly, I'm starting to believe now that if you want the relationship to last, one or both of you guys are going to have to delete the majority of your social media apps. You delete that WhatsApp, Snapchat, Instagram, Facebook. Pick one that you're going to keep. This is really sad, and it's really extremely, it's going to just further we're going towards poly, guys. This is what this study really just told you guys. We're in polygamy right now. One guy having sex with most of the men, one successful guy having sex with most of the women, and the bottom percent of people are mainly, you know, one average to below average looking woman, and she has 5 guys, unattractive guys that can't get the women that the tall or famous guy is getting. This is what is going on. This is how messed up the dating and mating culture. Dating is dead, guys. I could get on this video and try to give you guys hope. I could choose the optimist route and say you could find a solid relationship, which in my heart of hearts, I really do think you can find a solid relationship in today's Western culture. But in all honesty, guys, from the statistics, from what's really going on in the world, I'd be telling you guys a lie. I'd be misinforming you guys if I told you guys just to willingly get into relationships, willingly get into marriages. I'd be selling you guys a dream, because this study alone tells all about what's going on in today's culture. So if you're a man or a woman in a relationship, one of y'all are cheating, and that's just what it is. You can either choose to leave them, or you can choose to go passport, or you can choose to stay because you know this is the only woman you're gonna get. This is the only successful guy you're gonna get. That's my video. You guys like, comment, subscribe, share the video, like the video on the way out. I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.